Hi ladies, it's Mesa with Kinsmade.etsy.com, and I've been promising you girls some big announcements, and I'm ready for the big reveal. Now, I've given you hints that it's floral, it's layered, and it is a plate set. I'm also going to reveal to you today that it is Art Nouveau in style. I've secured 10 sets for the top collectors in my Facebook group, and they are in the mail to me now. 10 sets of 6 plates featuring Art Nouveau floral designs by, I think his name is Alphonse Mucha. I love the artist, but his name is Czechoslovakian. So each set of plates, there are 10 sets available, 6 plates to a set. Each set costs $60, and they are available on a first-come, first-served basis with preference going to group members. So I'll put a link below in case anyone tuning in hasn't joined our Facebook group yet. If you have an outstanding order, I should be able to combine shipping for you. These 6 plates will be available individually as well, and we'll have more information on that at the next group buy, which begins following this video immediately. But I have more news. CICI and SISI are going to be carrying my 6 Art Nouveau stamping plates on their website. So super excited about that. It's going to help me reach a lot more customers with my designs. But I wanted you girls to know that because only 100 copies will be made of each of the 6 plates. So buying one of the 10 sets of 6 is the surest way to get a copy before the limited edition sell out. And it allows you to be, one of the first of a dozen or so people on the planet to get your hands on the plate itself. But as I mentioned before, you'll be able to reserve individual plates during the group buy just after this video becomes public on our Facebook group. I know a lot of you have been falling in love with the acrylic plates. And now that you know that mine are being manufactured by CICI and SISI, and you already are convinced of the quality, it's going to open up a whole new world for you for collecting acrylic plates. And you're going to want to go out and buy all of their designs, right? Of course you are. Well, guess what? I am also an official wholesaler of CICI and SISI now. So I'm going to be matching their prices within just a few cents. To make it convenient as possible for you to continue doing business with me directly. But you may want to start browsing CICIandsisi.com and take note of the plate, the stock numbers of the plates that you want to purchase. And then you just do like you always do and message me on Facebook, tell me the quantities and the stock numbers, and I'll add them to the current group order, and they'll come along with your limited edition plates as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the big news. I can't wait to see your comments.